Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
What's this animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
What's this animal?
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
And what's this animal?
Giraffe.
There you go.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
What about this animal?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippo. Hippo.
What's this animal?
Toto.
There you go.
Tortoise. Tortoise. Tortoise.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Oh,
giraffe.
thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Pack away, monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What's that one?
Chicken.
Okay, pack away toucan. Tuki, 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 ta, tu, tu, toucan.
Hippopotamus.
Where's the hippopotamus? What's this?
Tiger.
And this one? T is for tut, tut, tut.
Toto.
Yeah.
Toto.
What's that?
Tiger.
Tiger. T is for?
Tiger.
We have. What's this?
What's that?
What sound does rooster make?
Woo!
Woohoo! I wonder what's this?
Pig.
Pig. What color is a pig?
Pink.
Very good. What sound is a pig make?
Unk, unk.
What's this?
Cow.
A cow.
Moo.
Yes, that's the sound. Moo. What's that one?
Horse.
What sound does a horse make?
Neigh. Neigh.
Yay! Yay! What about this?
Goat.
That's a goat. What sound does a goat make?
Meh.
Ma. Very good.
Ba.
What about what's this? Bah. And what's the name of that animal? That's a sheep. Sheep. We living on the farm and we have our friends. It's a rooster. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. There's a pig. The pig go oink, oink, oink. It's a horse. The horse go
Neigh.
neigh, neigh, neigh. And it's a goat. Meh, meh. There's a sheep. The sheep is go
Ba.
ba, ba, ba. And then there's a cow. The cow goes
Moo.
moo. That's a
Horse.
horse. Okay, pack away. Bye bye, farm animals. Where is the monkey?
Where is the monkey?
And where is the giraffe? Where is the tiger? Put back the giraffe. Where?
Yeah.
Nice. There's the tiger.
Wow.
Where is the hippopotamus? Good job. And what's this bird?
Toucan.
Toucan. And what's this?
Monkey.
Yeah, and what's this?
Tiger.
And what's this?
Toto.
And this?
Giraffe.
And this one?
Hippopotamus.
And this one?
Toucan.
Yay!
Swim.
Hippo swimming in the
Water.
bird. What does the bird do? What about the bird? Flies in the air. Yay!
Swim.
Hippo. The hippo swims. Swimming in the water. Hippo, hippo, swimming in the water. Toucan, toucan, hippo, hippo, swimming in the water. Hippo, hippo, splash, splash, splash. Yay!